Australian researchers are hopeful they've found the holy grail of stroke research with a new drug that could save thousands of lives. Trials are about to begin on the drug known as TB0309, which has the potential to improve blood flow to the brain without causing dangerous bleeding. If successful, it would be the first breakthrough for the treatment of stroke in more than 3 decades of research. Joining me now is the lead researcher for the Heart Research Institute, Professor Sean Jackson. Good morning to you. Congratulations. You say this discovery has been 25 years in the making. Why is this drug so special?
Thanks very much, Matt. Look, it's been a long journey, and we've been investigating new anti-clotting drugs, blood thinners, that are safe to use in stroke. We've been trialling, and many groups around the world have been doing clinical trials in stroke with blood thinners. Unfortunately, all of them increase the risk of bleeding in the brain and worsen the outcomes for stroke patients. So we've been working on this new molecule, TB0309, which has unprecedented safety, so that we can give that drug with other normal treatments that we would use with stroke. And so far the results look extremely encouraging, and that's why we're conducting this clinical trial.
So if you are prone to clotting, tell us, how does it work?
So we've identified a new mechanism that triggers these disease-causing blood clots, then developed this new therapy that targets that. And the good news is that it doesn't undermine the normal clotting, which is what prevents bleeding for most of us. So it's got a very, very good safety profile, and that's what this study's about, is to make sure that we can give the drug at doses that are effective, that are not going to cause too much bleeding.
It's quite remarkable and so good to hear for Australian patients as well, because you're about to trial the drug for the first time in stroke patients. If successful, what does the future look like? What we need to do is a series of studies to identify which patient groups are going to get the most effect from the drug. This first study will have a good indication by the end of this year how well tolerated the drug is, and we will then do a series of studies to work out how to give the drug the most effectively. This is fairly standard when any new therapy comes to market. We need to optimise it for individual patients and get the best outcome. Well, congratulations. It's an amazing breakthrough to this point, and cannot wait to see how it's implemented. Thanks for joining us.
Pleasure. Thank you, Matt.
Here's Nat.